Tired of manually filtering data in Excel? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a fully automated, interactive dashboard. No VBA, no macros, just powerful formulas and built-in features. Perfect for sales, inventory, and smarter reporting. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with a clean dataset. Step 1. Select your data range. And press Ctrl+T to convert it into an Excel table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Then hit OK. Why use a table? Because it expands automatically as you add new data, making your formulas and reports dynamic without extra work. Next, rename your table to something meaningful like sales data. This makes it easier to reference throughout the dashboard. Let's create a smart, dynamic drop-down filter for customers, perfect for building interactive dashboards. First, in a new area of our sheet, create a live list of unique customer names. In an empty cell, enter this formula. Here's unique pulls out each customer name once, no duplicates. Sort arranges them alphabetically, so it's clean and easy to use. And since it's linked to the sales data table, the list will update automatically as you add new customers. Press Enter and done. Let's bring our report to life with an interactive customer drop-down filter. Head over to the report sheet and select cell B4. This is where our filter will go. Navigate to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. In the dialog box, set Allow to List. For the source, select the dynamic range where your formula-generated customer list appears. Now, hit OK, and just like that, you've created a smart, auto-updating customer filter. Whenever a new customer is added to your data table, the drop-down refreshes automatically. No manual updates needed. Now that we have built a dynamic customer drop-down, it's time to link it to our actual data. So the dashboard updates automatically based on the selected customer. Start by navigating to the main data table. Copy the headers, for example, cells B1 to G1. Then head over to the report sheet and paste them into this new area. This sets up a clear, structured layout for your filtered data and keeps your report looking clean and consistent. Now comes the powerful part. We'll use the filter function to pull only the records that match the customer selected from the dropdown. In the first cell beneath your headers, enter this formula. This part defines the column data you want to show. Adjust this range based on your table. And this part pulls only the rows where the customer matches the drop-down value in cell B4. Make sure your formula references the correct drop-down cell. Hit Enter, and instantly, you've got a live, auto-updating view of your data. Just change the drop-down selection and watch the data refresh automatically. Now that our dashboard can filter data by customer, let's elevate it further by adding dynamic sorting. With this feature, users can sort the filtered data by date, quantity, sales, or any column, simply by selecting an option from a drop-down menu. Click on cell C4 and head to the Data tab on the ribbon. Select Data Validation. In the dialog box, set Allow to List. For the source, select your table headers, in this case, range A6 to F6. Click OK, and you're done. You now have a smart sorting drop-down that responds instantly to user input. Now let's bring it all together with one powerful formula. This will filter your data by the selected customer and sort the results based on the column chosen in drop-down. Simply update cell A7 with this formula. Here's a quick breakdown. Filter shows only the rows for the selected customer in B4. X-match finds the column position that matches your sorting choice in C4. And sort arranges the results, ascending by default. Change to -1 for descending. Hit enter, and your dynamic, sortable dashboard is ready. Now watch the dashboard in action. Select John Doe in cell B4 and quantity in C4. Instantly, all rows for John Doe appear, sorted by quantity in ascending order. Try another test. Pick Jane Smith and sort by amount. The report updates automatically. It's fully dynamic, responsive to every selection. Want to display the total quantity from your filtered results? Just go to cell D4 and enter this formula. Here's A7 hashtag refers to the spill range from your dynamic formula starting in A7. The hashtag ensures it captures all rows of filtered data. CHOOSECOLS pulls only the third column from that spilled data, which corresponds to quantity. Sum function then adds up all values in that quantity column. Hit enter, and that's it. The total updates automatically as your filter or sort changes. To display total sales based on your filtered data, in cell E4, enter this dynamic formula. CHOOSECOLS extracts just the fourth column, which corresponds to sales. Press enter, and your sales total updates instantly with every filter or sort change. This keeps your sales total fully linked to your filtered results. No manual recalculations needed. You've just built a fully dynamic Excel dashboard with automated filtering, sorting, and totals, no manual steps needed. Perfect for sales, inventory, and smart reporting. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more time-saving Excel tips. Thanks for watching.